Most anglers think you need expensive tackle to catch more fish. But what if a homemade jig head could start with something as simple as a safety pin? That sounds impossible. But stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see how a few ordinary parts can turn into a fishing lure that almost nobody expects. Everything starts with a simple metal safety pin, not a special fishing component, just an everyday item. Then I picked up a small round sinker. On its own, neither one looks useful for building a jig head, but together, they create the foundation of the entire idea. The next step was choosing the right hook, not too big, not too small, just the right size to match the weight and keep the lure balanced in the water. Once everything fit together, it finally started to look like a fishing project, but it was still missing something. That's when I reached for the glowing tinsel. I carefully tied it onto the hook, making sure every wrap was tight and secure. The goal wasn't simply to make it colorful. The tinsel creates flash, movement, and extra attraction underwater. Sometimes, a little sparkle is enough to catch a fish's attention from several feet away. As I kept wrapping the thread, the project slowly stopped looking homemade and started looking like a real jig head. That's the part I enjoy the most, watching ordinary materials turn into real fishing tackle. Could you buy a jig head instead? Of course. But building one yourself teaches you something a store never can. You begin to understand how every part works, why each material is there, and how small changes can completely transform the final result. One thing I would change next time is the safety pin. A stainless steel version would be an even better choice because it offers better resistance to rust, especially in salt water. But the most important part isn't the exact material I used. It's the idea. Once you understand the concept, you can improve it, modify it, and build a version that fits your own style of fishing. That's exactly why I make these videos. Not to say, this is the only way, but to share an idea that might inspire your next one. Now I'd like to hear from you. Would you fish with this homemade jig head? Or what would you change to make it even better? Leave your ideas in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more homemade fishing tools, smart fishing ideas, and creative tackle builds.